Julie Phillips, and this is your introductory video for Product 17.2, A Teacher's Guide to the Tule Elk Course Curriculum. So this is actually curriculum for you to use. It's a free product, which is really cool. So when you enroll and get this free product, you get the introductory video that goes over the entire curriculum with you as well. So it's really cool. So this really covers the Tule Elk case study, and it's something you can apply in your classroom to any species in your region that's really basically gone to almost the brink of extinction or is going through different challenges to save that species. So this curriculum is really a cool course. It goes directly with Product 17.1, which is our Tule Elk Guide, which gives you all the natural history and overview and historical information perspective about the Tule Elk. So this curriculum provides you a model to use as a teacher and for your students to explore the rapidly growing fields of conservation biology, restoration, ecology, and so on. This course curriculum includes course learning objectives, which are really nice for you to have, course guidelines, student performance evaluation techniques, a detailed overview of the Tule Elk course in terms of vocabulary, topics, and concepts. So it's just a really great way to teach your students about these incredible species and the landscape that inhabit our areas. So enjoy it. And again, I think you'll really like this course.